मेरा नाम अनु है। आज मैं आपके लिए बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ। अब आप थोड़ा सा सोचिए वो इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो क्या हो सकती है। सोचिए। ऑल राइट, आई टेल यू। टुडे इट्स ऑल अबाउट द न्यूजीलैंड एग्रीकल्चर और मे बी यू कैन से फार्मिंग। सो अब आप ये सोचिए कि फार्मिंग ही क्यों। वो इसलिए क्योंकि न्यूजीलैंड जो है वो 80% जो है आपका एग्रीकल्चर बेस्ड कंट्री है। आई थिंक आप लोग जानते भी होंगे। और यहाँ पर जो इक्विपमेंट जो आप यूज़ करते हैं, आज मैं जहाँ खड़ी हूँ ये रफली अराउंड 10 एकड़ आप कह सकते हैं। ये 10 एकड़ जो है ज़मीन है। तो ये जो आपको सराउंडिंग्स दिख रहा है ये तो हमारा स्टार्टिंग है। यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, फिर हम अंदर जाएंगे फार्म में। तो यहाँ पे जो मेरा ओनर है वो सीड फार्मिंग करता है एक्चुअली बेसिकली, जो यहाँ का। अब मैं आपको सबसे पहले मेरे लिटिल स्टार सारा से इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊंगी। हाय सारा, नाइस टू मीट यू। कुड यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन लिटिल बिट अबाउट यू?
I'm Sarah and I'm in year 7 and I go to Broden School and I love being out on the farm and doing all things with my dad.
Wow, see? So she is the little daughter of the owner of this farm and she always used to help his father. So you can see, and I'll I'll explain when Steve is coming and I'll introduce you. So just for a moment, so we just maybe you can see. All right, so can you see that there is sheep farming over there and over there वहाँ पे जो आपको गैरेज दिख रहा है वहाँ पे सारे इक्विपमेंट है उसके। यहाँ पे इन्होंने इनको what you usually call that, is that paddock or
Yeah, paddock.
yeah, paddock. Yeah. So can you see, and how many paddock do you have?
We have around 6 paddocks, do we?
Oh yes, I would like to introduce first the Steve, the owner of this farm. Hi Steve.
Hi, nice
to meet you.
Likewise.
Could you please little bit explain about my viewers, because they are basically more of them roughly around from India and the other Asian countries.
Yep.
They definitely love to know about the New Zealand. So could you please explain about how you managing yourself and with your little star daughter, how you manage this farm, please?
Yeah, it's a very small farm. It's only 10 acres, so in New Zealand terms, it's a small farm. So it's a
it's a small farm, but for us people, 10 acre is not a small
farm. No,
yes.
so it's what we call a hobby farm. So my father, we were brought up in 1,000 acres. This property here is only 10 acres.
Oh,
so we
wow, 10,000.
Yeah, 1,000 acres.
1,000 acre. Okay.
And we had 5,000 sheep. On our property, we've got 18 sheep. So we're very, very small.
Oh, okay.
So we'll take you around and show you a little bit.
Thank you so much. We would like to go and see how you manage.
We're in a bad spot to go around.
All right. Yeah. So do I need to go through this way?
No, we can go through the gate over there.
Oh, I'll follow you. So I have to.
You want to do a stop? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll follow you. So आप सबसे I just explaining my viewers in Hindi actually. Sorry about that. So आप सभी देख रहे हैं स्टीव जो है हमें अभी अपना मेन जो इनका इंटरेस्ट है वहाँ से अपने फार्म में हमें लेके जा रहे हैं। कैसे जो है मैनेज करते हैं। ये इनका घर है एक्चुअली, ये यहाँ रहते हैं इस घर के अंदर। इनके घर में तुम्हें देखा होगा कि यहीं पे सारी फैसिलिटी, यहाँ पे सब फैसिलिटीज़ होती है, इवन स्विमिंग पूल और सब चीज़ें। यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि अब इधर हमें स्टीव ने एक गेट बनाया हुआ है एक्चुअली। ऑल राइट, से सॉरी अबाउट दैट, आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इन माय लैंग्वेज। सो स्टीव अभी आपको बताएंगे कि वो कैसे क्या बोलते हैं, कैसे इनको मैनेज करते हैं।
So one of the lambs over here is not very well. It's got a bit of arthritis.
Oh, arthritis.
Yes, so
okay.
we're going to take these ones in, and there's a little pen we take into over there so we can catch them. So this one with arthritis, it's very stiff, and you can see over the far side over there. When he's walking, he'll be quite uncomfortable. So
how do you know? Means how do you judge she's not feeling well or like that?
It's just very much an experience thing. You can see he doesn't look the same as the other ones, and you'll probably see as we're walking in with him, he'll walk. He's quite uncomfortable, a bit sore in his legs. So
Okay.
we'll take him into the pen and hopefully we
Okay,
can.
come on, my viewers here.
Yeah, would you like to go around and help?
तो आप सभी देख रहे हैं ये लिटिल गर्ल इन्होंने जो है सभी को अपने फादर की हेल्प करते हुए कैसे लेकर गए?
See the one with the short leg is on the far side. It's just hopping a little bit, but not running as well as the other ones.
Okay. Yeah. So viewers, can you see how she is managing the sheep and following the guidelines of her father, Steve? So यहाँ पे ये सब लोग ऐसे मैनेज करते हैं, इन्होंने ये पैडक बनाए हुए होते हैं, आप देख रहे हैं, और कैसे ये वर्किंग कर रहे हैं। इन्होंने ऑलरेडी फीड कर दिया है इनको। यहाँ पर एक्चुअली अभी समर है, इंडिया में आपको पता ही है यहाँ पे इस समय विंटर है, बट ये समर टाइम है।
These are our lambs. So they're about 3 to 4 months old.
Are they?
Yes, so they're very young. They grow
Oh.
very, very quickly.
Oh.
So yeah, the oldest one here will be about 4.5 months old. The youngest one's 2.5 months old.
Oh, I have even no idea about
Yes.
this. I can't judge that. They are
So-
always so younger.
Yeah, so the mums are all out here. So
Is it?
we
So
don't know
can
if
we
can
have a look,
probably-
please?
Probably can't see them at the moment, but we'll
Okay.
might take another video and show you
Oh, okay.
the mums. But they've been weaned about
So
two weeks ago. So they were taken off mum, and the mums have been put back out separately.
Oh, so you means separate it after some months? Means
Yes,
after
yeah,
2 months or
yeah.
like that?
But usually around about 3 months is.
About 3 months. तो ये एक्टिविटी आप देख सकते हैं सभी कि कैसे जो है ये उनको आप हम लोग हिंदी में आई थिंक बाड़ा बोलते हैं, बाड़े में डाल रहे हैं। ओके। So इन्होंने इस छोटे से बाड़े में, so you put it here all of these ones.
So
Is that specific purpose to do all of these here? Or?
yes, very much. So when you're working with sheep, you need to have them in somewhere close so that you can actually work with them. They're a wild animal, so
Oh, okay.
they're not. These aren't pets. They're in their natural environment. But out in a big area, you can't catch them. You can't work
Oh,
with them.
yeah.
So if you want to work with them, the animals,
Okay.
you want to have them in a
In a
small.
small paddock. Okay.
Yeah. So these ones here, they're between 3 and 4 months old,
Oh, can you see that they all are only 3 and 4 months old?
except for the one at the far side.
The
He's-
last one, I think that the
Yeah, that's
4 and a half
No, the big one about the back, he's a year and a half old.
year and a half.
Nearly
Oh,
2
okay.
years. He's
Yeah.
a ram, so he's the dad.
Oh, he's
So
there.
he'll
So
be going out with the mums
okay.
soon.
So आप देख सकते हैं वो डैड है और बाकी सभी इन्हीं के ये बच्चे हैं, सारे लैम हैं। तो डैड के साथ डैड जो को ये लोग मम के साथ शिफ्ट कर देंगे अभी।
So we'll go in and I'll see if I can catch.
ओके, अब देखिए स्टीव जो है गोइंग टू कैच द डैड
You wanna come
एंड
inside?
हैव अ लुक हाउ दे विल मैनेज इट। इट्स क्वाइट लुक्स हार्ड बट दे इन सभी को ये लोग नेचुरल वे में जो है पालते हैं, हमारी तरह बिल्कुल वो नहीं करते हैं।
So this is the one that's got the sore legs. So
ओके,
we need to check.
इसको जो है ये अर्थराइटिस बोल रहे हैं कि इसको जो है अर्थराइटिस हो गया है। तो ये देखिए कैसे इसको एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि एक्सपीरियंस की वजह से इनको पता है कि इनको जो है सोर लेग्स है।
So it's very hard to do much about arthritis.
Oh,
so we
okay.
have to give him some antibiotics,
ओह, डू यू?
which we have. He's getting a little bit better.
ओके,
So hopefully he will get out of it. Some just don't get better, but
Oh.
yeah. So he's.
सो आप सभी देख रहे हैं कि इसको अर्थराइटिस है और कैसे ये मैनेज करते हैं और एंटीबायोटिक्स देते हैं और कैसे जो है लिटिल स्टार हमारी सारा जो है हेल्प करती है अपनी फादर को।
Might be able to see. So the antibiotics is just put into his.
अब देखिए
skin.
कैसे, सो यू यूजुअली गिव योरसेल्फ?
Yes, with
Oh.
with an injection.
ओह,
And it
ओके।
just goes into that area into there. So
तो आप सभी देखिए ये खुद ही इंजेक्शन देते हैं एंटीबायोटिक्स का उस स्पॉट पे जहाँ ये बता रहे हैं।
so the wool on these animals are used mostly for carpet. So it's quite a
ओह,
thick
ओके।
wool.
सो ये बता रहे हैं कि ये जो वूल है ये कारपेट के वूल के लिए यूज होती है, थिक वूल। So how can you differentiate we usually wear which one, the different wool?
So this is quite thick. So they do it's how thick that is. So merino is something
yeah?
you will have heard of. It's very fine. It's much nicer for
Okay.
making garments. With these ones here, it's quite a thick
Okay.
wool. So it's
देखिए इन्होंने कैसे बताया थिक वूल कैसे यूज करते हैं।
so we'll let him go and see. He's walking a little bit better today, so.
Oh, that's good. Some of the videos because मैं नहीं चाहती कि आप इतने वीडियो लंबी बना दे और आप कहे कि कौन देखेगा इतनी बड़ी लिंक. So Sarah would like to say something about this video. Yes.
If you like the video, please leave a comment, and if your friends are interested, please tag us down below, and we.
And she's asking.
I'd love to know some more. What else they'd love?
And she would like to say, just like if you want to know about more information about New Zealand, so she's happy to let us know about the farming and how she managing the things with her father. Is it that, Sarah, you want to say? So दोस्तों, अब मैं आपको सम अप और थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी आप सभी को कि आपने अपना टाइम दिया, और बहुत बहुत आप लोगों का धन्यवाद देखने के लिए. आपको मैं अपनी तरफ से भी कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आपको कुछ भी न्यूजीलैंड के बारे में कोई आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो सारा एंड स्टीव दे वुड लाइक टू हेल्प अस रिगार्डिंग न्यूजीलैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन. So please let us know in the feedback or comment, or just tag your friends who wants to come New Zealand or wants to know more information about New Zealand. We are happy to show you. Thank you.